So if you're struggling to change the battery on your Lexus key fob, particularly for a model that was between 2019 and 2023, potentially going into 24, this is what you do. You find the little button on the side that releases the key. You press the button and pull the key out, like so. Now, in the older models, what you'd normally do is use that lip there and put it into the key and twist to prise the two parts apart. But with the newer keys, you don't do that. What you do is you put your thumb on the Lexus logo and the thumb at the base of the fob and firmly slide the panel off. And this gives you access to the battery. Now, there's a little lip there, you can take the cover off. Now the battery is a CR2032. So you can get something like a small screwdriver or a toothpick, or even use your key to prise the battery out, like so, and insert. This is a new battery anyway, but insert the battery again, and to put the cover back on, like so, and slide the cover back into place. Like that. And then just simply slide your key back in till it clicks. And that's it. Your key fob is now operational. Thanks for watching.